Did you know your kidneys filter over 50 gallons of blood every day? These hardworking organs quietly handle the essential task of removing waste, balancing fluids, and regulating important nutrients. Yet, with today's diets, stress, and exposure to various toxins, our kidneys often work overtime, facing a buildup of unwanted substances that can strain their function. Maintaining kidney health is essential to keep your body's detox processes running smoothly and ensure that you feel your best. Fortunately, supporting your kidneys doesn't have to mean turning to medications or complex treatments. In fact, certain simple home remedies can help gently cleanse the kidneys, enhancing their ability to filter out toxins and promoting overall well-being. These natural remedies use ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen: hydrating lemon water, detoxifying parsley, and nutrient-rich cranberry juice, to name a few. In today's video, we're going to reveal a list of powerful yet gentle home remedies to support your kidney health. Each remedy offers unique benefits, from reducing inflammation to preventing kidney stones, and works in harmony with your body's natural detox functions. So, if you're looking for an easy, accessible way to help your kidneys work more efficiently, stay tuned. These remedies could be the key to giving your kidneys the care they deserve. Let's dive into how these natural solutions can support you on your journey to better health. Hydration is one of the most essential practices for supporting kidney health, and when you add lemon to your water, you're giving your kidneys an even bigger boost. Kidneys rely on a constant supply of water to filter waste and toxins out of the blood, helping to maintain balance in the body's minerals and electrolytes. When you're not properly hydrated, the kidneys can't perform these tasks as effectively, leading to a buildup of waste and strain on kidney function. Staying hydrated helps the kidneys flush out toxins and keeps them functioning at their best. Adding lemon to your water makes this simple remedy even more powerful. Lemons are high in citric acid, a natural compound that can help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones form when waste minerals like calcium and oxalate combine and crystallize in the kidneys, causing painful blockages. Citric acid helps reduce the risk of stones by binding to calcium, making it less likely to form crystals, and by increasing urine volume, which further dilutes waste in the kidneys. Regular consumption of lemon water has been shown to help reduce the risk of kidney stones, especially for those prone to recurring stones. To make the most of lemon water as a kidney-friendly remedy, here are a few tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Start your day with lemon water. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning is a great way to kickstart your hydration. While you sleep, your body becomes slightly dehydrated, so drinking a glass of water with half a freshly squeezed lemon can help replenish fluids and jumpstart kidney function for the day. This practice can also give you an energy boost and set a positive tone for staying hydrated throughout the day. Sip lemon water throughout the day. For ongoing hydration and kidney support, consider sipping on lemon water throughout the day. Simply add a few slices of lemon, or squeeze fresh lemon juice into a large water bottle and keep it with you. Not only does this add a refreshing flavor, but it also encourages you to drink more water. If plain lemon water is too tart for your taste, try adding a touch of honey or a slice of cucumber for added flavor and nutrients. Enjoy warm lemon water before bed. For a relaxing way to end your day, try a glass of warm lemon water before bed. This can help keep you hydrated overnight, promoting kidney function as you rest. Just be mindful of your body's hydration needs and avoid too much liquid right before sleep if it tends to disrupt your rest. Tips for effective hydration with lemon water. Use fresh lemons. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is best for maximum benefits. Bottled lemon juice often contains preservatives that can diminish its effectiveness, so stick to fresh lemons whenever possible. Stay consistent. For optimal results, try to make lemon water a regular habit rather than a one-time solution. Consistent hydration with lemon water can support kidney health over time. Monitor your intake. While lemon water is beneficial, it's also acidic. If you have a sensitive stomach or are prone to acid reflux, consider diluting the lemon juice more or drinking it with meals to minimize acidity. Parsley is a popular herb with more than just culinary uses. It's also known as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps increase urine production. This increased urine output aids the kidneys in efficiently removing waste, reducing the buildup of toxins in the body. Diuretics can be beneficial for kidney health, as they support the kidney's filtering processes, allowing for more effective detoxification. In addition to its diuretic properties, parsley is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body, which can lead to cellular damage over time. Since the kidneys are continuously exposed to various toxins and waste products, they're particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. The antioxidants in parsley, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, help neutralize these harmful free radicals, promoting kidney cell health and overall kidney function. Parsley can be enjoyed as a juice or a tea, both of which are simple to prepare and incorporate into your daily routine. Here's how to make parsley tea and parsley juice for optimal kidney support. Simple parsley tea recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of fresh parsley leaves or 1 tablespoon dried parsley. 2 cups of water. Optional. A slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for flavor. Instructions: rinse the fresh parsley leaves thoroughly. Bring the water to a boil, then add the parsley leaves. Reduce the heat and let the parsley simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let the tea steep for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and add lemon or honey if desired. How often to consume? Drinking parsley tea 2 to 3 times a week can provide gentle kidney support. It's best not to overconsume parsley tea, as excessive intake of any diuretic can lead to dehydration or mineral imbalances over time. Parsley juice recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh parsley leaves, 1 to 2 cups of water or another juice base, like cucumber juice. Optional. A slice of lemon or a few celery stalks for added flavor. Instructions: rinse the parsley thoroughly. Blend the parsley with water or cucumber juice until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove pulp if preferred. Pour into a glass and add lemon or celery for an extra flavor boost. How often to consume? Parsley juice can be enjoyed once or twice a week. Due to its concentrated diuretic effects, moderation is key to avoid putting too much strain on the kidneys. Dandelion root has long been valued in traditional medicine for its detoxifying properties, especially for supporting the kidneys and liver. This humble herb, often regarded as a simple weed, is actually packed with nutrients and compounds that promote natural cleansing and support kidney function. Traditional herbalists have used dandelion root as a remedy for centuries, recognizing its ability to help the body eliminate waste and reduce toxin buildup. One of the primary ways dandelion root benefits the kidneys is through its gentle diuretic effects. Diuretics help increase urine production, which in turn assists the kidneys in flushing out toxins more effectively. Unlike synthetic diuretics, which can sometimes lead to dehydration or potassium imbalances, dandelion root acts as a mild natural diuretic that is less likely to deplete the body of important minerals. This makes it a gentle yet effective option for supporting kidney health without placing undue strain on the body. In addition to its diuretic properties, dandelion root contains a range of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidants play a crucial role in preserving kidney health, as kidneys are frequently exposed to toxins and waste products that can cause cellular damage over time. By reducing oxidative stress, dandelion root helps protect kidney cells and supports their normal functioning. How to make dandelion root tea. Making dandelion root tea is simple and can be done with either dried or fresh dandelion roots. Here's a quick guide on how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root or 1 tablespoon of fresh root, chopped. 1 cup of water. Optional. A slice of lemon or a dash of honey for added flavor. Instructions: if using fresh dandelion root, rinse and chop it into small pieces. Bring the water to a boil, then add the dandelion root. Lower the heat and let the root simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let it steep for another 5 minutes to extract the full benefits. Strain the tea into a cup and add lemon or honey if desired. Recommended frequency for dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea can be enjoyed several times a week, with a recommended frequency of 2 to 3 times weekly to support gentle kidney detox. Drinking it too frequently could have strong diuretic effects, so it's best to start with a moderate amount and see how your body responds. If you have a specific health condition or are on medication, consult a healthcare provider before consuming dandelion tea regularly, as it may interact with certain medications, particularly diuretics and blood thinners. Tips for safe consumption. Choose high-quality ingredients. Use organic or pesticide-free dandelion root whenever possible to avoid any contaminants, as dandelions growing in urban or treated areas may have been exposed to chemicals. Drink in the afternoon. Since dandelion root tea has diuretic properties, it's best to avoid drinking it too close to bedtime, as it may increase your need to urinate at night. Balance with hydration. While dandelion root tea supports hydration by promoting kidney function, be sure to drink enough plain water throughout the day to maintain a proper fluid balance. Cranberry juice is well known for its benefits to urinary tract health, but its advantages extend to supporting kidney function as well. Cranberries are packed with compounds that help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that could spread to the kidneys. This makes cranberry juice a valuable natural remedy for those prone to urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, can lead to kidney complications. One of the primary ways cranberry juice supports kidney health is through its high content of antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the kidneys by neutralizing free radicals that can cause cellular damage. Inflammation and oxidative stress are common issues that can compromise kidney function over time, especially in individuals with chronic conditions. By reducing these factors, cranberry juice can provide a protective effect, helping the kidneys function more effectively and reducing their exposure to inflammation-related stress. It's important to choose unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid added sugars that can strain the kidneys and negatively impact overall health. Sugary drinks can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and even blood sugar spikes, all of which place extra pressure on the kidneys. Unsweetened cranberry juice may taste tart, but you can balance the flavor by diluting it with water or mixing it with other kidney-friendly juices, such as apple or pomegranate. Suggested daily amount. For optimal benefits, aim to drink about 8 to 10 ounces of unsweetened cranberry juice daily. This amount is sufficient to provide cranberry's kidney-supportive effects without overwhelming the body. If the tartness of pure cranberry juice is too strong, try drinking a smaller amount twice a day to spread out the intake. Additional tips. Choose 100% pure juice. Look for cranberry juice that is 100% pure and unsweetened to ensure you're getting the full benefits without additives. Pair with hydration. Cranberry juice should be part of a balanced hydration plan. Be sure to drink enough plain water throughout the day to keep your kidneys functioning smoothly. In addition to the home remedies we've discussed, making a few simple adjustments to your daily habits can significantly support kidney health and enhance the benefits of natural detox remedies. Here are some key lifestyle tips to help maximize kidney function and maintain optimal health. 1. Reduce sodium intake. Excess sodium is one of the main contributors to kidney strain. When you consume too much salt, your kidneys have to work harder to balance sodium levels in your body, which can lead to fluid retention and high blood pressure. Over time, this extra workload can damage the kidneys and impair their function. To support kidney health, aim to keep your daily sodium intake within recommended limits, typically less than 2,300 milligrams for most adults. Avoid processed and fast foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium, and try seasoning your meals with herbs and spices instead of salt. 2. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are not only high in sodium, but also contain preservatives, artificial additives, and unhealthy fats that can burden the kidneys. Many processed foods are also high in sugars and refined carbohydrates, which can lead to weight gain and blood sugar spikes, two factors that place additional stress on the kidneys. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains, you're giving your kidneys less work to do and providing them with nutrients that support overall health. 3. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants are essential for kidney health, as they help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Foods rich in antioxidants reduce inflammation in the body, making it easier for the kidneys to function efficiently. Berries, especially blueberries and cranberries, leafy greens, bell peppers, and apples are all excellent choices. Berries are particularly beneficial as they contain compounds that support both kidney and urinary tract health, helping prevent bacteria buildup that could impact kidney function. Incorporating a variety of antioxidant-rich foods into your diet can bolster your body's defense against kidney stressors and improve overall well-being. 4. Stay hydrated with clean water. Proper hydration is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support your kidneys. Drinking plenty of water helps dilute toxins and flush them out of the body, reducing the workload on your kidneys. Staying hydrated also helps prevent kidney stones, which can develop when minerals and salts build up in concentrated urine. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, though individual needs may vary based on activity levels, climate, and health status. If plain water gets boring, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist without any added sugar. 5. Limit animal protein intake. While protein is necessary for health, consuming too much, especially animal protein like red meat, can strain the kidneys as it increases the production of waste products like urea. For people at risk of kidney disease, a high-protein diet may accelerate kidney damage. Instead, consider balancing your protein intake by including plant-based sources, such as beans, lentils, and nuts, which are generally easier on the kidneys and provide additional fiber and antioxidants. Emily, a 42-year-old marketing professional, had been struggling with fatigue and occasional bloating, which she suspected might be linked to her kidney function. After researching natural ways to support kidney health, Emily decided to start her mornings with a glass of lemon water and incorporate dandelion root tea into her routine a few times a week. Within a few weeks, Emily began noticing improvements in her energy levels and felt lighter overall. The bloating that used to bother her occasionally seemed to be reduced, and she felt more energized throughout the day. Emily was thrilled with the results, feeling that the small addition of these remedies had a big impact on her daily well-being. When incorporating natural remedies for kidney health, it's important to consider safety, potential side effects, and interactions with medications. Let's address some of the most common questions. Are these remedies safe for daily use? Most of these remedies, like lemon water, cranberry juice, and moderate amounts of parsley or dandelion tea, are generally safe for regular use, especially when consumed in reasonable amounts. Lemon water and cranberry juice can be enjoyed daily. However, parsley and dandelion root tea are best used in moderation, 2 to 3 times a week, to avoid excessive diuretic effects, which can lead to dehydration if overconsumed. Do these remedies have any side effects? While these remedies are natural, they can still have mild side effects. Lemon water is acidic, so it may aggravate acid reflux in some individuals. Cranberry juice, if consumed in large amounts, can lead to stomach discomfort due to its acidity and should be chosen unsweetened to avoid added sugars. Parsley and dandelion root, being natural diuretics, can increase urination frequency, which may be inconvenient for some and cause dehydration if fluid intake isn't balanced. Always monitor your body's response and adjust intake as needed. Do these remedies interact with medications? Yes, some of these remedies may interact with certain medications. Dandelion root, for example, may interact with diuretics or blood pressure medications. Cranberry juice can enhance blood-thinning effects and should be used with caution by those on blood thinners like warfarin. Parsley can affect individuals on blood-thinning or diuretic medications. If you're on medication or have a specific medical condition, consult with your healthcare provider before adding these remedies to your routine. If you're ready to explore these remedies, try incorporating 1 or 2 into your daily habits and see how they work for you. We'd love to hear about your experience. Share your journey in the comments below and let us know which remedy has made the most difference for you. Remember, small, consistent changes can make a big impact over time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Here's to supporting your kidney health naturally.